Okay, this is question 26, part A, or sorry, version A, 22 on version B, 19 on version C, 27 on version D. And the question is, which reason is not necessary to explain how to find the distance across a lake? So they're asking you to figure out, so the lake itself, they drew some kind of lake, but they really want to, if you look at the picture on your test, they want to know this distance across the lake. Okay? Well, if we can show that the two triangles, if we can show that this triangle here is the same as this triangle here, then we can use CP/CTC. Corresponding parts on congruent triangles are congruent. So that's our plan there. So let's write down the things that they say may or may not be needed. So I'll just pause us here and do that, and then we can go through them one at a time. Okay, so I'm back. I wrote these down. I'm just going to go through them. Now, I already mentioned that if we can show the triangles were congruent, then we can mention that the yellow side with the question mark and this side would be the same by CP/CTC. So we're going to need this one right there. Okay, let's look at some other things that we have here. We have a set of sides right here and here. They tell us that. So I can put an S down. We also have a set of right angles. Okay, so we can put that down as well. So and they're touching the sides, so we can put that there. Now some people say, okay, we don't have the hypotenuse, so we can't use hypotenuse leg. We don't know that. Is there anything else that we know? Okay, well, first of all, when I say that this is a right angle and this is a right angle, everyone thinks, oh, they're the same. Well, that's called the right angles congruency theorem, which is right there. So, yay, we got one. We're going to need to know that right angles are all the same as each other. Okay? And there's another piece of good information. I'm going to do this one in green. This angle is vertical to this angle. Oh, we're going to need vertical angles. Well, that gives us another angle. That angle touches here and here, so it's on the other side. It's right here. Whoops, that's an angle, excuse me. Okay, it's touching the sides there, and it's got to go on the other side there. So we're also going to need to show, we can show that the triangles are the same by ASA. Well, that's right there. It's not SAS. So this is the wrong one. This is the one they want you to select to say that that's the one we don't need. We don't need SAS. We need all these other ones to show that the triangles are the same. So then we can use CP/CTC to say that the top and bottom sides are the same.